Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of I to the power I. Here I is an imaginary number. We know e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substituting theta is equal to pi, we can write here e to the power I pi is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. Again we know cos n pi is equal to negative 1 to the power n and sin n pi is equal to 0. So for n is equal to 1, here we can write cos pi is equal to negative 1 and sin pi is equal to 0. So from here we can write or e to the power I pi is equal to negative 1 plus I times 0, or e to the power I pi is equal to negative 1, or if we take a square root both side, we can write here square root of e to the power I pi is equal to square root of negative 1, or e to the power I pi by 2 is equal to I, because negative square root of negative 1 is equal to I. Or if we erase both side power by I, we can write here e to the power I pi by 2 whole to the power I is equal to I to the power I, or I to the power I is equal to, here we can write e to the power I square times pi by 2. We know I square is equal to negative 1, so we can write here I to the power I is equal to e to the power negative 1 times pi by 2. So the value of I to the power I is equal to e to the power negative pi by 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.